Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about the distillation column. First, what is meant by a distillation column? A distillation column is a tube that provides a surface on which condensation and evaporation can occur before the gas enter the condenser in order to concentrate the more vital liquid in the first fractionation and less vital component in the later fractionation. We have an example of how a refinery process works. We have a crude oil as a feed that goes into the furnace and it gets heated and it goes to the distillation column. We can see it how it has been comes out with the various output as shown in the image. Now let us see the working of a distillation column. A vertical shell in which the separation process is performed. Distillation column internal that enhance the separation process of the each component. This could be the form of tray, plates, or a packing. A reboiler which provide the necessary evaporation for the distillation process. A condenser cool down the vapor leaving the top of a column, converting them back into the liquid form. It's called as condensate. A reflex drum to hold up the condensed vapor from the top of the column so that a liquid reflex can be recycled back to the column. So these are the pictures of a distillation column. Let us see the working of distillation column. The feed has been introduced at the middle. It goes down to the tray or packing. It has two types. It goes down again. It goes to the reboiler, which helps to increase the temperature. It increase the temperature. It goes at the bottom as a higher vapor that goes at the top. It goes to the condenser, convert the vapor to the liquid. Again, it goes to the reflex drum for the overhead product, and remaining reflex drum solution goes back to the distillation column. Again, it's recycled back. It goes down and goes for the reboiler. Again, goes at the bottom, and the vapor goes up and convert into a liquid. Actually, it's a recycling process. So at the another image, we can see at the two types of distillation column internals, which is packed bed, and we have a trace, which we can see in upcoming slide. In this slide, we can see the two types of distillation column internals. One is plate tray, most widely used in a distillation column. Another one, packing, often used in a solvent. So first we can see the tray type column tower. Top we have a vapor outlet, and next demoisture pad, and coming up next a liquid distributor. Coming up next we have a bubble cap tray, and at the bottom we have a downcomer and a liquid collector, and bottom we have a wall tray, downcomer, and liquid collector. And next picture we can see the packed type column internal. Vapor outlet, demoisture pad, liquid distributor, structured packing, chimney tray, liquid distributor bottom, support beam, random packing, and bubble cap tray. Let us see the distillation tray. This distillation tray are designed to provide a liquid holdup to achieve the proper vapor-liquid mass transfer that the distillation process required for the separation. These type of distillation trays are divided into three types of trays: bubble cap tray, wall tray, and shave trays. First, what is a bubble cap tray? A bubble cap tray vaporized through the riser or a chimney into the cap, then comes out from the slot or a hole in the cap and bubble through the surrounding liquid on the tray. In this picture, we see that through the chimney, which helps the vapor to come out, where we can see the bubble has been formed in the outer of the bubble cap tray, which we have a holes. This is how the vapor has been raised through the bubble cap tray. Next, we can see the wall tray. The opening in the wall tray or convert them with liftable cap that adjust themselves according to the vapor flow. The tray valve or cap closed off at a low vapor rate, stopping the liquid from moving down from the tray. As the vapor rate increases, the tray valve or cap expands them to pour the tray. It's saying that it is an adjustable valve tray which can opens up when a high flow of vapor has been occurs. If it is a less, it doesn't work. So it helps them to stop the downfall. Again, it helps to rise up the vapor where it automatically it can lift up. Let's know about the sieve tray. The sieve tray is a flat preferred plate with no moving parts. Vapor raised from the hole perforation to the tray above. The cross current to the liquid flow. The vapor energy keeps the liquid from the flowing down through the hole. The latter that moves across the tray and travels them to the tray below through the downcomer. In a sieve trace, we can notice that it has a bottom small holes. When it vaporized up, it goes to the conducting to the liquid and it bubbles up and vapor goes up and the remaining liquid goes to the downcomer. It's how that works sieve trace. Let us see the application of a distillation column. Distillation column are widely used in various industries for separating and purifying a liquid mixture based on their boiling point. Here are some common applications of a distillation column. First, it is used in a petroleum refining. Distillation column are the key component in a petroleum refining for separating crude oil into its various fractions such as gasoline, diesel, kerosene, and other heavier products. Next, it is used in the chemical industry. Distillation column are used for the separation of chemicals and separating and purifying a different component in a chemical processing, including the production of a solvent, acid, and various chemicals. Even it used in a petrochemical industry. Distillation column are utilized in the production of petrochemicals, separating and purifying various chemical components derived from the petroleum. Distillation column are used in the production of alcoholic beverages and industrial ethanol, separating alcohol from a ferment solution. Next, it is used in a water desalination. Distillation column plays a role in a water desalination process for separating a fresh water from a saline solution through the distillation. Next, it is used in a natural gas processing recovery. Distillation column are used to separate and recover natural gas solutions, such as propane and butane, from a natural gas stream. Even it is used in a biofuel production. Distillation is used in the production of bioethanol, separating alcohol from fermentation routers or other bio-based solutions. Next, it is used in air separation plants. Distillation column are used to separate and purify gas such as oxygen, nitrogen, and argon through the cryogenic distillation. And next, it is used in liquefied natural gas production. Distillation column plays a crucial role in separating and purifying methane from LNG production. And next, it is used in a solvent recovery. Distillation column are utilized for recovering and recycling solvent from various chemical processes, contributing to sustainability and cost saving. Let us see the advantages of a distillation column. Versatility, and it can be adopted for a wide range of applications, including the separation and purification of various chemical components. It provides a high separation efficiency for the compounds with a different boiling point, allowing for a precise separation and purification of a liquid. It will, suited for the large scale of industrial production, make them integral in processes such as petroleum refining and chemical manufacture. It is designed for the energy efficiency features such as reflex systems and heat generation to optimize the energy usage during the separation process. Let us see the few disadvantages of a distillation column. It is energy intensive, especially in a processing require the separation of components with a close boiling point. A high energy consumption may impact the operational cost. It is a complex in a design, especially in a larger scale application. Can be a complex in design and operation too, requiring a careful control and maintenance. The construction and installation of distillation column can involve a significant install capital investment, make them less feasible for a smaller scale operation. Environmental concerns in a certain distillation process may involve the use of large quantity of water and energy, raising an environmental concern and necessity of a sustainable practice. Space requirement, especially in a large industrial facility, may require a significant space, which can be a constraint in some installations. That's all about the trade tower. Next, we will see about a packing tower. Thank you for watching.